In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a quick, practical walkthrough, and by the end, you'll be able to insert and arrange slides with confidence. We'll start with the slide panel on the left side of your screen. This panel shows small thumbnails of every slide in your presentation, making it easy to see your overall flow. Move your cursor into that panel and right-click on an empty area, not directly on a slide thumbnail, but in the blank space beneath them. From the menu that appears, choose New Slide. PowerPoint instantly adds a new slide, typically right after the slide you most recently selected. This is a fast, dependable way to keep building your deck without breaking your rhythm. If the new slide lands in a spot you didn't intend, it's easy to fix. Click the slide thumbnail you just created and drag it up or down the list. As you drag, you'll see a line appear to show exactly where the slide will land. Release your mouse, and the slide snaps into place and automatically renumbers. This helps you fine-tune your story flow, group related ideas together, and keep your presentation organized as it grows. Another popular method uses the ribbon at the top of the window. Make sure you're on the Home tab. This is where most basic slide tools live. Click the New Slide button. If you open the drop-down, you'll see a gallery of layouts, including options like Title Slide, Title and Content, Section Header, and Picture with Caption. Layouts are templates that control where titles, text boxes, and images appear, so your slides stay consistent and readable. Choose the layout that best matches what you plan to add on that slide. If you simply click the top part of the New Slide button, PowerPoint inserts the default layout you used most recently, which is handy when you're building several similar slides in a row. If your new slide appears in the wrong place, just switch your attention back to the slide panel and drag it into position. The thumbnails update instantly, and the order you see there is exactly how your audience will experience your presentation. Your theme and design settings carry over automatically, so new slides match the look and feel of the rest of your deck without extra effort. And that's all there is to it. Using either the slide panel or the Home tab's new slide options, you can add and rearrange slides in seconds while keeping your presentation clean and consistent. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.